Okay, this is a money manifesting secret you must try. Start with a certain amount of money in the middle of a page. It could be any amount and any intention, and draw a circle around it, and then draw 5 lines radiating outward. You're going to go ahead and write down 5 emotions you would feel if you already had the money in your bank account. So for example, the first one would be maybe relief. You might also feel very grateful and thankful that the money did land in your account. You might feel abundant, like I just feel financially abundant. And then you might feel elated. You might feel energized by it. And here's the critical one. You might feel even natural, like you want to feel that money manifesting is natural. It's not something crazy. It's usual for you. And then you're going to write down what you would do with the money. So for example, you might save $3,000, which creates some relief feelings. You might actually pay off some debt, which you're really grateful for as you're paying it off. You might actually reinvest the money, which seems like I have an abundant consciousness because I'm starting to grow the money. You might feel elated because you might spend $250 on something fun. And I think maybe bringing the family out and doing something, or yourself, and whatever that looks like. And then you actually leave maybe $27.50 in the account. So it becomes natural for you to have a lot more. You don't need to use it, by the way. The $10,000, if it came in, you don't need to use it all. You just want to feel that it's natural to leave money in your account and it's growing. Now, when you have a safe space to do so, you're going to close your eyes and you're going to see each of these for 30 seconds. So starting with the first one, we'll start with gratitude. What you're going to do is go ahead and say gratitude thoughts in the mind, something like this. I'm so grateful. I manifested. I did it. I paid off some debt as well. This is amazing. And then you're going to go to abundant and say, I invested $2,000. This is so awesome. And then go to elated and natural and relief. Essentially, what you're doing is activating the emotion, which is a vibrational field, according to the money. What you're really doing is becoming money conscious. And as you're becoming money conscious, you're thinking towards the end and feeling towards the end, as Neville Goddard would say, assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Now, when you're doing soul-led manifesting, it's becoming the soul. And your soul thinks and feels truth about abundance. It is abundance. So we are getting you more and more connected right now to your soul in the first place, which is really great. You're going to do this for 3 days straight. Then forget it. You're going to literally let it go, because it's a perfect analogy for nature. Plant a seed, water it, and let it grow. Right? If you plant a flower today, it needs water, it needs sunlight, and you need to let it grow. You can't just sit there all day trying to, hey, when's it going to come up? When is it going to bloom? You need to let it go and let it grow. And that's incredibly important to do the same thing with your intentions. Okay? Very important. Let it grow. Now, if you want the full system, step by step on how to soul-led, manifest, and heal, especially around money as well, there's a free, for the first time ever, 7-day trial into my course, program, and community. Links in the bio and the description. Join now. You're going to love it. It's free for 7 days. Give it your best shot. See how it goes.